Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. And today I'm super excited to be bringing you the March Detox Box. And if you guys can see, this is a really big box, and that's because like last month we got a bunch of products in the Sense box and some really large products, which is exciting. So this box this month is featuring the brand Inner Sense. I was super excited to see this. Normally before, I've been given like a sneak peek of what the box is prior to me receiving it. It was really fun this time because I got to open it and be completely surprised by what products were in this one's box. And Inner Sense is a non-toxic hair care brand. You guys know that I am on a bit of a hair care journey. I really want to just do more for my hair, try out more products, do more styling, kind of that whole thing. And so part of that whole process is exploring hair care brands. And I really have not tried a lot from Inner Sense. I may have gotten a sample of their shampoo and conditioner at some point, but that's like the extent of their products that I've tried. So I was really excited to see this box. So I am an affiliate with Detox Market. They do send me this box every month, but I always give you my honest thoughts and opinions about the box and the products in it. If you are interested in subscribing to this month's box, I would greatly appreciate it if you'd use my link down below. I do make a small commission off of affiliate links. It doesn't add any additional cost to you, but it helps to keep Naturally Beautiful Girl up and running and allowing me to purchase products to try for you guys. A good example of that was I recently tried out the new Kosas concealer and the new Ilia serum foundation. I purchased those with my own money and used the revenue I get from ads and also from affiliate links to be able to support those purchases. Well, let's go ahead and jump right into the box. First off, I'm going to talk about their shampoo. We got a huge size. This is 10 fluid ounces of the Pure Harmony hair bath, and this is their gentle cleansing shampoo for fine to medium hair. And I did go ahead and try this and the conditioner. Actually, we have two conditioners. I tried both of them this morning when I washed my hair. This was my first time using this product. I guess I should start off by saying I have an oily scalp. I have really thick hair. The individual strands are like a normal size, but I just have a lot of hair packed onto my head. I also have very straight hair. As you can see, I did do a blowout while I was blow drying my hair, but it is naturally quite straight. And my ends of my hair are pretty normal. I do like some sort of conditioning to, keep my hair looking nice and also to be able to comb through it easily, but my ends are not particularly dry. And I don't wash my hair every day. I wash it every couple days, and in between each of the washes, I do use dry shampoo. So I do have product buildup on my scalp that I need to get off when I wash my hair. So I tried this out. I really did like it. The scent of this is super nice. I was trying to think when I was using it how I would describe it to you. It's definitely a bit citrusy to me, but it's a quite complex scent. On the first wash, the shampoo didn't lather that much, but that is pretty common in a lot of the non-toxic shampoos I've tried. But on the second wash, I was able to get quite a good lather going. And I mean, this is the first time using it, and this is my hair like right after washing it, but it does seem really clean. I thought when I was drying it, it looks clean. It's not like sticking together anywhere, so I do feel like it did a good job of cleaning my hair. So I have to say I really enjoyed this product. I definitely have a lot of it to try out. I'm looking forward to using this shampoo more. The next product I used was this one here, which is the Inner Sense Pure Inspiration Daily Conditioner. This is a lightweight daily conditioner for fine to medium hair. This is a really nice conditioner. I did use it on my hair today. I was able to get my hair feeling conditioned and I didn't have to use a lot of product, so I felt like the conditioning properties of this conditioner worked really well. Sometimes with conditioners, I feel like I have to use more and more of the product to really get it worked into my hair, but I was able to get it worked in really easily. And I don't feel like my hair is weighed down at all, which I like as well. So I think overall this is quite good, especially for my hair type. So I'm happy once again with this and happy to use it more. I also paired that conditioner with their Sweet Spirit Leave-In Conditioner. So this is a lightweight detangling spray to increase moisture and add shine. With the combination of these two, I really do like how my hair looks. It was incredibly easy to comb out. I sprayed a little bit of this detangler right into my hair prior to detangling it, and my comb just glided through my hair. It was so fast and so easy to comb out. Honestly, 10 out of 10, was totally here for that. I don't know if, because I used both of these products, I don't know if it was like this one that made detangling my hair really easy, or if the conditioner was really good and also made detangling my hair really easy, but together they definitely worked super well. And I think my hair looks really nice. I picked up recently, maybe like a month ago, one of those brushes that's also a blow dryer. They're like round brush blow dryer contraptions. If you have hair around my length and you enjoy blowouts and just aren't very good at it, that product is life-changing. Love it, 10 out of 10. But when I use heat on my hair, it can make my hair look a little dry compared to when I air dry my hair. But I think the combination of the shampoo and also the leave-in conditioner really have helped to keep my hair looking nice and shiny, and also it doesn't feel at all dry to the touch, which I really appreciate. Also, what I really liked about this product too is it said that you could also use this in your hair to refresh your hair as well. So if you go a couple days without shampooing your hair and you find your ends are looking a little dry, you could put this in your hair as well to kind of give it a little bit of a refresh. Obviously, this was my first time using it, so I haven't had that, but I'm looking forward to trying that out as well, because I think that's a nice use for this product as well. And I should mention that the value of the shampoo is $28. The value of this conditioner is $30, and then the value of the leave-in conditioner is $26. So right there, amazing value for the box. Okay, but we're not done. But wait, there's more. We got 2 more products in the box, and the first one is one that I have been dying to try, because if you guys are a dry shampoo junkie like I am, you probably were super fascinated by this product. This is the Sense Refresh Dry Shampoo, and this dry shampoo is unlike any other dry shampoo I've used in non-toxic beauty. It is a liquid, like it actually foams and it comes out as a foam, like kind of reminds me of like a mousse or something, and then you rub it into your hair. It is crazy. I've been super curious about this, so when I saw this in this one's box, I was like losing my mind. I'm like, finally, I get to try this. Because if you follow my channel, you know I'm a dry shampoo junkie and always looking for my favorite dry shampoo. So this one, I did try it yesterday. I have to give the caveat that I already had some other dry shampoo in my hair, because yesterday had been about 3 days of not washing my hair at that point, so I did have some other powder dry shampoo in my hair. But my hair was looking oily because my scalp makes an incredible amount of oil. Like, I wish I could like give some of my oil from my scalp and my face to people with drier skin, because like I have more than I need and it's too much. But I did go ahead and use this in my hair, so it did absorb my oil, and because it is this foam consistency, it doesn't white cast your hair because there's no powder in it to actually do any white casting. So works on controlling oil, and it also doesn't white cast. So right there, good. Also, it's not very messy because you aren't dispensing a powder. The one drawback with these powdered dry shampoos is that you can get powder all over the place. Obviously, you don't have to worry about that with this product. The one drawback with this product though is that because it is wet, you have to let it dry. I did read on here that you could blow dry your hair a little bit to give it some more volume, and I did that, and that worked really well. It did volumize my hair and absorb oil. The drawback though is that it takes time. Like if I'm trying to run out the door and get out the door quickly, this dry shampoo, I have to let it dry somehow. I either have to let it air dry or hit it with my hair dryer before I finish styling my hair, so it does add a little bit more time into my routine. I'm thinking what I may do is try putting this in my hair like when I first wake up, eat breakfast, and let it dry while I'm eating breakfast, and then go into styling my hair. I'll let you know how that works, but that's the only drawback with this, is just the added step of having to let it dry. Overall, I think it's a super innovative product, and I'm once again excited to try this out some more. And the value of the dry shampoo is $24. And then the final product we got in this month's box is the Sense I Create Waves. This is a pink Himalayan salt spray to add texture and enhance waves. I haven't really tried this out, and I'll put a little asterisk by it. I did kind of try it yesterday, Like I said, at that point, my hair had not been shampooed for about 3 days. I was wearing my hair in a ponytail as a result. And I did try putting a little bit of this in my ponytail to give it a little bit of texture. Honestly, it didn't really work, but I'm not at all convinced that that was the product's fault. I normally would not use a sea salt spray in that way, so it's probably more my hair's fault than the spray. Like I said, my hair is really straight. The best way to coax waves out of it is to get a salt spray in it when it's still damp, put it in braids, do some scrunching, that kind of action. If I try spraying a salt spray into my hair right now, it's just gonna get clumpy and it's not gonna do much. It's not gonna add any volume. That's just the way my hair is. So I am excited to try this out, but I definitely need to try it when my hair is damp, because I know from personal experience that's the best way to get one of these salt sprays to work for me. So I am looking forward to trying this, but I don't really think my test previously was enough to really conclude anything, other than I used it in a situation when my hair was not feeling like curling, so it wasn't really gonna do much anyway. And the value of this I Create Waves is $26. So what that means is this box has an amazing, amazing value. If you are at all interested in Inner Sense and want to try out some of their products, I would highly recommend picking up this box. There are different subscription levels with Detox Market. You can just get one box and then cancel your subscription. So if you wanted to just get this box and then cancel, you could do that. You could also do a 3-month subscription. There's a whole bunch of different subscription varieties. Also, if you are already an Inner Sense lover, love these products, want to stock up, this is a great, great way to do that at a great value. So I honestly think that this is a really good box. I think these products could really work for a variety of hair types. Maybe if you have extremely dry hair or really curly hair and you want like super, super nourishing products, this one might not be as good, but I still feel like with the detangler and with the conditioner was just really nice. So I feel like it could work for a lot of people. I'm super excited about it. This is honestly one of my favorite boxes so far. Like, I love this, and I really like that it has such a variety of products in it, because I really feel like you're getting a great value for your money. In last month's video, I asked if you wanted me to give an update on my thoughts about products after trying them out for a month, so I'm going to be doing that. So now I'm going to be updating you on the Pie products from the February Detox Box. So first off, I'm going to start with the Light Work Rosehip Cleansing Oil. I've used a lot of this, and the reason why is because I actually took it with me when I was traveling. I was gone for about a week and a half during February, and instead of bringing a whole bunch of facial wipes, because that's a long time to be gone, I wanted to bring a cleansing oil. And because this one doesn't require you to remove with a damp washcloth, you can get it to dissolve in water. I thought this would be a great option, and honestly, I'm super happy I brought it. It doesn't dissolve quite as easily in water as the Leilani Pamplemousse oil cleanser. That one's probably like my gold standard for an oil cleanser, but I thought that this one worked really well. It was doing a great job of breaking down my makeup. I really felt like I was able to get my face clean. So after trying this out for a solid like week and a half as my only makeup remover, I can say I definitely recommend this. Next up, we have the Camellia and Rose Gentle Hydrating Cleanser. I have been using this as well. I didn't travel with this because I need something a little bit more heavy duty for night cleanses especially. And this cleanser is one that I really have only been using in the morning because I do have more oily skin, and this is a more hydrating cleanser. I think if you had drier skin, you could use this in the morning and at night, but for me, it really is a morning cleanser. I do like it. It's not my favorite hydrating cleanser. It's nice, but would I purchase it again when I run out of this? Probably not, but I think it's more that's just not quite the right product for my skin type. In my last video, I was saying that I was struggling a little bit with this exfoliator, and this is the Kukui and Jojoba Bead for Skin Brightening Exfoliator. So I have been using this some more, and I figured out the best way to get it to work for me, which is to use it when I'm in the shower, because the main complaint I had with this the last time I used it was that I found it hard to get some of the jojoba beads off my face. They were kind of staying behind when I tried to wash my face. If I use this in the shower, I can go, the pressure of the water from the shower is enough to get the jojoba beads off. So in that way, I can make it work for me. It was interesting because I actually read some of the product reviews. I think I can't remember if it was on the Detox Market website or on the Pi website, but someone else had the same complaint I did, that it was a little bit hard to get the beads off. So if you're struggling with that, I recommend using it in the shower. That worked much better for me. But overall, I do like it and will continue to use it. I'm just going to be using it from now on in the shower. And then the final product from last month's box is this one here. This is the Chamomile and Cleansing Calming Day Cream. So I've been really liking this. It's a nice moisturizer. It's lightweight enough that it works for my oily skin, but it still feels really nice and moisturizing. I kind of mistakenly said in my video that this was a dupe for the Fit Glow Redness Rescue Cream. There's another Pi product that I think is a closer dupe to that one. Now I can't remember the name of it. I still maintain that this one is quite similar to that product because it is a calming cream. I do really like it. I will continue using it. I have a lot of moisturizers at the moment, but this is definitely one of the top ones that I've been trying out. So it is a really, really nice product and I have been enjoying it. So overall, I also really enjoyed last month's box. These are two like killer boxes back to back. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found this unboxing kind of first impression helpful, and also my review of last month's box. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my other reviews and other videos. And be sure to check me out on Instagram. I'm at naturallybeautifulgirl. And once again, thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!